Today, we're going to be talking about how you can build yourself a reputation when you're just starting out in your creative business. Welcome to the Creative Business TV show, where we help you make a success of your creative business. A question I hear a lot from new creative entrepreneurs is, how do I get myself some street cred when I'm a new business? How do I build a reputation when I have no customers yet? You know, it's a really common dilemma and one we all go through as newbies. Brand and reputation, well, they're important for every small business, but it's vital when you're just starting out. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is possible, and I'm going to give you 5 strategies to help you on your way. Number 1, polish up your online image. Now, this is an easy one. First impressions count. People judge you by your online social profile. They stalk you to make sure you're legit, and they want to know who you hang out with in a professional sense. So think about it. What's the first thing you say when someone tells you that they have a business? Do you have a website? So you need to make sure that your website is hot to trot. Now, I'm not telling you to spend a fortune on it, not at all, but you do need it to look professional. It doesn't have to be award-winning, but it does need to be simple, clean, and easy to navigate with all the relevant information. And the key here is professional. That's right, you heard me, professional. Now that means no stupid personal email addresses such as joelovesbin@hotmail.com. If you don't invest in anything else, make sure you invest in an email that matches your domain name. In my case, that's Kylie@kyliecarlson.co. It shows you're serious about your business. Number 2, give your services for gratis. Yep, you heard me. This is the quickest even way to get client testimonials. Give away your services for free to a couple of select clients, maybe 4 or 5, and they have to give you a real review in return. It still takes work, and you have to find the clients who are going to be willing to be your guinea pigs, but this strategy works. For our wedding planning students at the Academy, it's the perfect way for them to get their feet wet and get some great testimonials if they've done a good job. Number 3, toot your own horn. So what I mean by this one is you need to highlight your experience and not hide your light under a bushel. Many of you will already have experience in your chosen field, either by working for someone else or possibly doing it part-time as more of a hobby. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who it was for, whether you were calling yourself a professional at the time, it doesn't matter. It's all about the experience. The best place to do this is on your About page. And remember, don't be shy. This is your time to shine and show people why they should hire you or buy your product. Like I said, it's about tooting your own horn. Tooting your own horn. And I know none of you like to do that, but seriously, you have to do it. Number 4, get on the press train. So start writing articles and telling your story. What you need is a newsworthy angle on your business story so that you can pitch it to local press. Seriously, you've got no idea how much the journos love this stuff, especially if it's well written. On a slow news day, these are gold as you've done their job for them. Another angle is to find maybe some popular bloggers that serve your target demographic and see about pitching them an article, placing you as the expert in your field. And once you get the press, shout about it on your media page. I know in the wedding industry, most bloggers have badges you can add to your site saying featured on, and that's combined with their logo. We love a logo and people are impressed. And when you can say something like, as seen in the Huffington Post or wherever it is that you've been featured, that's cool. This means something to people and it puts you out there as the expert. Finally, number 5, communicate your worth. So this is relevant both on your website and when you meet people face to face. Don't leave people in any doubt as to what it is that you do or what you offer. You've got to communicate this sort of thing to them really clearly and confidently on your website. So, it's upfront, it's easy to see and understand. Always be concise as well. If you meet someone physically, let's say at a party, and they ask you what you do for a living, tell them confidently. Don't stutter and stammer and give them the line of, I sort of do graphic design and I think I'm really good at it and everyone tells me I'm really good at it and I think I might get a website, but I'm not really sure. Good luck with that approach. However, if you turn it around and say, I'm a graphic designer for the creative industry. Here's my card. Whole other kettle of fish. Get my drift? Yeah, it's all about confidence. It's confidence in how you communicate your message. Now, obviously, there are lots more ways for you to build up your street cred as you're getting started, but hopefully these 5 strategies are something that will definitely kickstart things for you. All right, so you should know the drill by now. Yes, it is your turn. I want you to share your strategies for overcoming that newbie status of having no client testimonials. Share your wisdom with the rest of the community and leave your comments below so we can all learn from each other. Well, that's all I've got time for today on the Creative Business TV show. And if you enjoyed it, please like it and comment and subscribe. And if you want to be even more connected, come to kyliecarlson.co and get on the mailing list for lots of fabulous advice, ideas, tips and tricks that you can only get by subscribing. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.